Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. If you're new to my channel, my name is Peace and I do natural hair, fashion and lifestyle videos, and I would love you to join the family. So please click that subscribe button and yeah, let's get on to the video. So I'm going to be using this so overrated Davis pencil in number 003, and then I'm going to be using this tiny brush. It's called a spoolie, and then I'm going to be using a Legal Pro Concealer in color Toast, and then this small angled brush, very dirty. And my foundation, this is the Fit Me foundation in shade 375. So the first step is to make sure that your eyebrows are shaved. So I'm plucking out to new hairs that have been growing, and then I'm combing my eyebrows outward, just making sure that they follow that shape that I want. And guys, please forgive the whiteness on my cheek. I think I didn't blend my powder properly. Please note that tutorial, so you understand, eh? Alafu, now let's get to the gist. I'm going to make sure that the pencil is sharpened, and finally it's sharpened. And then I'm going to outline my brow. So I'm starting from the lower side. Just draw a line following the natural shape of your brow, like that. Make it as long as you would want it to be. Yeah. And then this is the kahak, guys. The kahak is I draw a straight line from that side of the brow to the other side, that will act as a guide or an outline so that the brows start from the same points, and this makes your eyebrows look as alike as they can. And then now you see I'm drawing the lower line, like that, following the natural shape of the brow. And this is actually my struggling brow. It does not cooperate at all. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side, on this upper side. Just follow the natural shape of your brow and outline the other brow like that. And then at the end they are going to meet. Make sure that they meet, just form that shape. And then I'm drawing the same line at the middle to meet with the other brow, so that I know where the other brow is going to start. And then I'm doing the other outline like that, you know, like the way architectures do, like an outline of a building. That's what we're doing here. So after that I'm going to fill in the brows, as in fill in the middle section, which has the hairs. Now I'm going to fill in that part, making sure it's as dark as possible and there are no gaps left. And then at the beginning I'm doing the strokes, upward strokes, going to the direction of how those front hairs grow. Repeat the same on the other side, the strokes, upper strokes, and filling that side of the brow. Look, I have a pimple on my brow. Surely these pimples won't let me prosper. The next step, guys, is to clean up the brows. So I'm using the concealer on the brush, placing it so gently at the beginning of the brow, and then outlining the brow pole, just the way the brow is shaped, making sure I don't make any errors, because if you make any errors here you might just have to wash your whole face, and that is a lot of work. So be very gentle, be very patient with this step. And then after that you're going to blend the concealer towards the eyelid. Blending is very important, guys. Make sure that you blend that concealer properly. So guys, I do not do one brow at a time, I do them simultaneously. So I'm going to the other side and I'm following that outline, and then place that concealer at the beginning of the brow, add more, and then follow the natural shape of the brow, or how I have drawn the eyebrow, and form the shape that I want. Then you get the gist now. Blend that concealer towards your eyelid like that, and then on the upper side I'm going to use the concealer and the foundation and mix the two to make the color that I want, because I don't want to use the foundation alone, because I don't like its consistency. It's a little bit light, but the concealer and the foundation make a good consistency and a good color, because I don't have the dark shade of the concealer. So DIY, guys. And I'm doing the same as I did on the lower side. Follow the outline of the brow and then blend. Blending is very important, guys, for eyebrows, so make sure you blend to make sure that you don't have harsh lines or harsh concealer popping out of your brow. You want your brows to look as clean and as natural as possible. So here I'm just correcting the two mistakes, making the eyebrow take the shape that I want at the end, and then blend, and then finally rub those lines of that outline that I had done. And then the final stage of this, guys, is to use the caspuli or the eyebrow brush to comb the eyebrows to your liking. So here I'm just fading them, because I don't like my eyebrows to have that harsh line at the beginning of the brow, because that's not how eyebrows grow anyway. So I'm fading them at the beginning and then combing the hairs to make sure everything is in place. And that is the final look, guys. And forgive the powder on my face. I actually didn't blend that foundation or the powder well, but this is an eyebrow tutorial, isn't it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.